Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got another tip. I just started this series on shortwave listening tips. Now, if you're into shortwave listening, most of these will be things you already know about. But I've been getting inquiries from people that are new to shortwave listening and people that are just coming back to shortwave listening, and they were asking how they can improve their shortwave listening. So I'm doing these tips. I got like 5 tips I'm going to show you in a series here. And remember, I'm no expert. Okay, this is tip number 2. Use batteries. Don't use those AC adapters that come with some radios, like the Texan radios. They create RF noise that you can hear when you're listening to shortwave radio. Now, you might not hear it when you're listening to medium wave or FM, but you'll hear it when you're listening to shortwave. I guarantee. Use batteries instead. I like to use lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. They hold their charge for a long time, and they are a little expensive. These batteries will cost you $5 or more, but they can be used over and over again. Just keep recharging them and use them again. Check out this video for comparison of lithium batteries. This gentleman does great shows on comparing things, all kinds of things. Things for your car, things for your house. Does a very in-depth, and I just watched his video of this one, and he really, I mean, it's a long video because he really goes into a lot of details about different lithium batteries, their cost, their performance. Watch that show. Using batteries instead of an AC adapter should allow you to hear more stations because you don't have that RF noise on top of the stations that are coming in, especially those weaker stations. Got to get that RF noise out of there. Okay, conclusion. Get some batteries. I guess I prefer the lithium-ion batteries, but they are expensive, so you can just get alkaline rechargeables if you wish, or if you have already, and then do some shortwave listening. Things are really improving. It's a good time to listen to shortwave, to listen to those international stations and see what they're saying about your country and what's going on in the world. Pretty interesting stuff. More shortwave listening tips to come. I got 3 more, I think. And if you have one that I didn't mention or you'd like to share, please put it in a comment. I appreciate comments. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.